In this video, I'm going to show you how to put rear parking brake in service mode so you can replace those rear pads. Here we have a 2016 Jeep Renegade. We can do it two ways. We can do it with the scanner, like the YOUCANIC scanner, or you can do it through settings. So let's say you were in this screen, you see the radio. Press apps on the right here, then press settings, then press on the right here to go down, then select brakes, then brake service mode, select that. Would you like to retract the park brakes to allow the system service? Yes. You can hear the parking brake being activated right now. On the screen you'll see a message there that the parking brakes are in service mode. You want to make sure that your parking here by the shifter is not activated. If this doesn't work, then what you could do is you can use the scan tool like the YOUCANIC scanner. You can go to home, back to home, go to maintenance. Let's go exit this screen that we're here. You want to go to EPB, which is right down here. Then you select Jeep and you follow this on-screen instructions to be able to put your car in rear brakes in park or service mode. So that's how you do it. And once you are done with that, you press the parking switch as you would normally to engage your parking brakes, and that will put the parking brakes in normal position. But that's it. Thank you for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.